Alright, my name is Jonathan Rosario, and this week I will be writing a review on the IMDb app for my MUX class. If you see here, let's go ahead and open it up. Um, First question we got to answer is what are the functions of this app? What can the user do? Well, basically the user can go ahead and research movie data, info, actors, actresses, career work, current movies, and upcoming movies in the movie theater. So as you can see here on the main page, once you go in, it tells you the movies that are in the theaters right now, show times and tickets in case that you're looking into buying some movie tickets. It's got top news, it's got latest trailers, coming soon, popular movies TV, birthdays, celebrity news, featured list, featured photo galleries. Then down here we have a section of IMDb, pigs, awards, movies, like movie polls, message boards. But anyways, the main use I would see is for this search bar right here. Because when you come use this app, yes, those are nice features that we just went over, but the main feature is really to research through their database. Hence the name Internet Movie Database, IMDb. But before I show you that, let's just go ahead and go to that settings page there. If you don't have an account with them, you wouldn't see the Jonathan Rosario there. Actually, you would just see, let me go back. You would just see movies, TV, celebrities, and instead of Jonathan Rosario, there would actually be a spot for sign in. But once I'm signed in, there's a watch list, ratings, checkups, recommended for you. So based on any, decisions that I made, choices, then they'll go ahead and recommend movies for me to watch. But let's go to the search bar. Here is where you could go ahead and type the name of the title of a movie or an actor. So let's just go with one of my older favorite movies, Jaws. By typing it, you saw how it appeared on that list of all the movies that have the word Jaws in them. I picked the first one, which is the first Jaws, 1975. It takes us to the page right here. There's images here. You can click on all, and you can see all like the movie set images. Here, there's a summary of what's going on. They're all written by different people, so different summaries. You can go back. There's the rating, the cast itself, all the cast and director, writers, all cast and crew, gallery, awards. There should be here the trivia section right here. Storyline, plot summary. So it takes you basically to the same information we saw up top just a second ago. There's just the details about the movie, runtime, and then it says more like this. So obviously the other Jaws movies are gonna pop up first. You could go ahead and click on watch it on Amazon. And then basically that's it right here. But let's say that I was watching something on TV right now and I was like, oh, that gentleman, he looks really familiar. He was in that Jaws movie. I wonder if it's him. So here he is. I recognize his face. I click on his page, Richard Dries, and then I just go ahead and I can confirm of whatever movie that I'm watching right now. Like let's just say it's let's just say that we were actually watching W. Okay, so boom, I see it here. That's W. Yes, that's him. Okay, now I know that he was in that movie as well. And basically you could do that with anybody. And if you go to their page, then you will have all these, like a summary of their life, any birthdays. If they passed away already, it would also say when they passed away. And here basically you just see their whole career. You could actually see it here, the movies they're known for, and then these are all ordered from newest to oldest. So as far as the other questions that you have, how do these functions work? Well, I just showed you that basically you start everything on the main page, and then you can go ahead and make your search. How well is it designed? Well, it's designed very well because it's very easy for a person to use it. There's really no learning curve when you use this app. How does it compare to the web version? Well, if you actually go to the web version has a whole lot more information on it. on the main page in particular. Like you could purchase movie tickets there, and are in celebrity news. You can see the actors who has birthdays today, the movie trailers. However, the search bar is also up there as well, so you could research their database. Um, but here's just like all these little sections are just like summary, like it talks about the birthdays, but it's just a small section. If you actually want to see everything, you have to click see all. Well, for some of these, like the birthdays, for example, that all fits on the main page when you're looking at the actual web page. How well is the screen layout designed? Can you find the data you want quickly and easily? Well, like I just showed you, um, if we go ahead and just go to like Jurassic World, boom, there's the actual summary. You find the movie right away. Here's the whole cast, and it's very very easy to find. There's some trivia here. It's the same setup for every single page, and that's what makes it easy. Because anyway, so as I was saying with the app, the next question would be, how effective does it utilize the multimedia other capabilities of the device, and is it taking advantage of what the phone can do? Well, the multimedia that it uses, it just uses, it goes to horizontal mode, landscape mode, when it goes to play a movie trailer. Other than that, it doesn't really use any features. The only other features that it uses is the GPS, because when you actually go and look for showtimes, it actually tells you already, like I'm in Winter Springs right now, so the app says Winter Springs. So it's utilizing my GPS, my location, to tell me which are the movie showtimes closest to me. Does it follow the platform standards and the guidelines and users' expectations? Well, I used the iPhone version. I didn't get to test out the Android version, and it did in fact follow the platform standards and guidelines for this one. How well does it work in both portrait and landscape mode? What happens when you turn it to its side? Nothing happens when you turn it to its side. And honestly, there's no need for this. This particular app, it would just look weird if you turn it to the side. It's fine the way it is right now. The only time you have to turn it to the side is when you want to watch a movie trailer. Automatically does that for you. And lastly, how could it be improved? I have to suggest something that I can make it better. The one thing that I noticed is that it has top 250 movies by its members. So basically by the votes of the members of IMDb. So it has the top 250, but I think it'd be nice to see like a top 100 scary movies. Like they should organize it by genre, not just the top 250. Because in that way, if I'm trying to, like, let's say it's Halloween, and then everybody wants to watch a scary movie in Halloween. So let's say I go to the top 100 scary movies, and I've seen 40 of them already. Well, there's another 60 movies that I like to watch. And if I'm a movie buff, which I am, and I want to see that black and white movie called Freaks, that's kind of silent movie. I want to see things like that. Like right now it's not organized too well. I think with the 250, it's not specific enough. You could have top 50 action movies. It doesn't matter if it's the top 50 by the IMDb users votes. That's fine. It's just that it should be organized a little bit better. 250 is top 250 movies. That's just too much. I'm not gonna look through the list of all 250 movies. So, but anyways, that concludes this week's app review for me. Thank you.